Grade 10, welcome to online classes. In this video, we will discuss exercise of unit number 15, that is review unit 11 to 15. Kindly open page 154, do as directed. The first one is Amjad is a successful writer. Change into negative. The change sentence is Amjad is not a successful writer. Number 2 is it is raining cats and dogs. Change into interrogative. Is it raining cats and dogs? Number 3, she does not eat meat or fish. Change into affirmative. She eats meat or fish. Number 4, it was careless of him to leave the door unlocked. Change into exclamatory. How careless he was to leave the door unlocked! Exclamation mark at the end. Number 5. My mother makes delicious cookies. Change into negative. My mother does not make delicious cookies. The given sentence is indefinite tense, so we have to use does not for making negative. Number 6. She writes with her left hand. This sentence is the same from indefinite tense. Change into interrogative. Does she write with her left hand? Question mark at the end. Next is 7. I do not have two sisters. Change into affirmative. I do have two sisters. We just have to remove the negative from the given sentence. Eighth one is she was clever to solve the problem that way. Change into exclamatory. How clever she was to solve the problem that way! Exclamation mark at the end. Let's see B. Choose the correct option for the following sentences. The first one is a subject and a verb that cannot stand alone is called a dash. A option is simple sentence, B independent clause, C dependent clause, and D complex sentence. So the correct option is dependent clause. Number 2, since we had only gone a mile from camp, we could turn back before dark. A is a simple sentence, B a compound sentence, C a complex sentence, D a dependent clause. So the correct option is a complex sentence. Third one, I know you don't like him, but that doesn't matter. Option A is simple sentence, B a compound sentence, C a complex sentence, D a main clause. So the correct option is a compound sentence. Number 4 is while the dinner was being served, Sana sneaked in through the side door. A option is a simple sentence, B an independent clause, C a compound sentence, D a complex sentence. So the correct option is a complex sentence. Number 5. Those clouds promise snow. We might get another snow day off from school. A is a simple sentence, B a compound sentence, C a complex sentence, D a phrase. And the correct option is a compound sentence. Let's see. Question number C. Choose the correct option to complete the conditional sentences. Number 1 is what would you dash if you won the lottery? So option A is do, B did, C was doing, and D was do. So student, you know it very well that we have to use base form after models. So A is the correct option. Number 2, she wouldn't be nervous if she dash her homework. A is would do, B did, C does, and D do. The correct option is did. That is B. B option is the correct option. Number 3, if my grandfather dash alive, he dash 110 years old. A is were, was, B would be, were, C was, will be, D were, would be. So the correct option is D, were and would be. Next is number 4. If you printed on both sides, you dash paper. A option is were saved, B saved, C would save, D is would be saved. So the correct option is would save. Number 5. We dash football if the weather were good. A option is would be able to play, B is would were be able to play, C were able to play, D will be able to play. The correct option is would be able to play, that is A. Number 6. If you dash a bike, you wouldn't cycle to school. A option is don't have, B didn't have, C not had, D won't have. So the correct option is B didn't have. Number 7. The film dash more interesting if it dash a happy ending. A is would be, has, B were, would have, C was, would have, D would be, had. So the correct option is D, would be, had. Number 8. If my father dash me a ticket, I dash to the cinema. A is didn't buy, wouldn't go, won't buy, won't go. C is wouldn't buy, didn't go, and D is wasn't buy, won't go. And the correct option is B, won't buy, won't go. Let's see the next one. That is D. Choose the correct passive voice for the following sentences. Number 1 is they probably won't attend lecture tomorrow. A option is the lecture probably not attended by them tomorrow. B. The lecture probably won't be attended by them tomorrow. C is the lecture not probably attended by them tomorrow. And D. The lecture probably won't be attended by them tomorrow. The correct option of this active voice is B. The lecture probably won't be attended by them tomorrow. Number 2. He was driving a car when the accident occurred. A is a car driven by him when the accident occurred. B. A car was driven by him when the accident occurred. C. A car was being driven by him when the accident occurred. D. A car was being driven by him when the accident occurred. So the correct option is D. A car was being driven by him when the accident occurred. Number 3. Who designed a car? Option A. By whom a car designed. B. By whom a car had designed. C. By whom was a car designed. D is by whom a car was being designed. So the correct answer is C. By whom was a car designed. Number 4 is they took her to the hospital yesterday. A is she was taken to the hospital yesterday. B. She taken to the hospital yesterday. C. She had been taken to the hospital yesterday. D. She was took to the hospital yesterday. So the correct answer is A. She was taken to the hospital yesterday. Number 5 is people visit Murray in hot summer season. Option A. Murray visited by people in hot summer season. B. Murray is visited by people in hot summer season. C. Murray has visited by people in hot summer season. D is Murray is being visited by people in hot summer season. So the correct answer is B. Murray is visited by people in hot summer season. Dear student, I hope you have understood the exercise. In my next video, I will do the remaining portion of this exercise. Till then, goodbye.